Struggling to turn weak case studies into compelling stories? In this video, I'll show you a ChatGPT prompt template that transforms lackluster text into powerful, professional case studies with just a few simple steps. Let's get started.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go through a quick ChatGPT prompt that will help you to turn regular kind of weak text that you used as a case study into a much stronger case study that will tell a more compelling story. So what I've done is that I've included the prompt that I wanted to use. I'll include that prompt in a document for you to download. Just check the description. And what I have here is I have act as this expert, and I've actually written out the prompt. And at the end, I say, when you're ready for the text, type go, and I will input the text along with further instructions to let it know that I'm not ready for the questions yet. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, as we see, the go is ready. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to input the rest of the directions along with the text that I want to convert. And here are the rest of the instructions that I wanted to do as well. So it says, ask me any questions necessary to create the best case study document for the client. Ask these questions one by one without getting too granular until we have a good amount of input to create a solid case study sample. Now, the reason I ask for one-to-one is because ChatGPT can go ahead and actually, in Claude, they can ask you 10 questions at once, and it can get confusing. Additionally, this is an iterative program. So when you answer questions, it'll come up with smarter questions based on what you asked, what you answered before. So it helps it and you to ask the questions one by one. So let me go ahead and say, start now. And then it's asking me the question. So it says, tell me about the client for the bathroom renovation. For example, what kind of household or business? Now it's going to ask me those questions one by one, and I'm going to answer them. And as you see, you're going to see memory updated each time I answer the questions. So it will ask me more intelligent questions as the time goes on based on the information I input. And then it'll give me a much better base product that I can go ahead and edit to create the case study I want to create. Great. It's asked me about pull quotes, and now it's about to create the document. Let me know if you would like me to proceed, then go ahead and proceed. This is what it's created. This is a much more solid document than what we had before. And it actually gives us the sidebar points and the feature quotes that we can use whenever we open anything. For example, if we want to use Canva, or if we want to use whatever other application, we can put this document together, edit it down, or edit it however you need to edit it, and basically just go ahead and input it in that. So again, this is something where we have a very weak beginning case study, and we've now evolved it into a workable draft.